Microsoft began selling Lumia Windows phones at the company's online retail store once again. The software giant originally removed its Lumia devices in June, leaving HP Elite X3 and Alcatel's Idol 4S as the only options for Windows Phone fans. Windows latest has now detected that Microsoft started selling its Lumia devices earlier this month. The Lumia 950 is available for $399, along with the Lumia 950 XL $499, Lumia $650 $199 and Lumia $550 $139. Now that the phones are sold once again in the Microsoft Store, it is likely that Microsoft still has stocks of these devices that need to be deleted. So, if you're a fan of Microsoft's mobile operating system, this could be your last chance to get a Lumia before they disappear.